Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, it's the month of August, and during this time of the year, it is in Goa the tradition of making sweets made out of jaggery, coconut and rice. Today I'm going to show you one very delicious holes that is made in Goa with two different types of fillings. So watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps in making this delicious holes. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to Melita's Delicacies, like, share and support my channel. I have taken 1.5 cup of parboiled rice. You can take any rice which is available to you. They are soaked overnight and I'm going to grind it to a fine paste. Sticky paste. You can see the consistency of the paste. It's not too soft, not too hard. And at the same time, I have kept my lentils. This is the gram lentils to boil. I had forgotten to add the salt while grinding the rice, so I am adding it now. The lentils are cooked and ready. I'll drain the water of it now and keep it to cool. I have taken here some dry fruits and finely chopped them. You can take the dry fruits of your choice. I'm going to show you two ways filling for these holes. Take some fresh jackfruit tree leaves. Take a medium size. You see my flour paste is ready. I have taken 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, half cup of boiled lentils and cane jaggery, palm jaggery. Now here I have 1 cup of chopped dry fruits. You take the dry fruits of your choice. Now there are some people who cannot eat lentils either because they are allergic or it leads to bloating, and they cannot enjoy these delicacies. I thought of making a filling which everybody would love to eat and enjoy this delicacy, and a healthier version too. Take coconut, add the jaggery. Now jaggery take as per your taste and your quantity. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed cardamom. Mix it well. I am taking separate about 1.5 tablespoon of the jaggery coconut mixture, and to the remaining I have added the lentils. Mixed it well. Now this, what I had kept it separately, I am adding to the dry fruit mixture so that these dry fruits get nicely combined well. You can use them plain also, no problem, because the raisins and the black currants and the dates are already sweet. Let's make the cones as shown and secure them tightly with a toothpick. Make all the cones likewise and keep them ready. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet or new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share to my channel and show your love and support to me. And keep watching Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes. Here, apply the paste to the cone as demonstrated in the video. Add the filling and seal it with the flour on the top. My cones are ready. I had kept my steamer on boil. Place the holes in the steamer and steam them for about 20 minutes. They should be ready in 20 minutes. Even if you find that they are a little bit sticky, after 20 minutes, after cooling down, they will become hard. Till the hollandaise which we have placed in the steamer gets ready, we will do the stuffing of the remaining cones with the dry fruit. Make sure that you close the top part of the cone with the flour as I am demonstrating it to you, so that the filling doesn't come out and spill out. You see, the filling itself is so tempting and it is very healthy also. Some large jackfruit tree leaves were left, so I am making one nice table mat with this. Earlier times people were making these jackfruit leaves plates to eat for occasions also, but I thought of recreating that with a kind of a mat. Here my first round with the lentil filling hollandaise are ready. Just remove them and keep them to cool. Friends, they taste so delicious, and the aroma that comes out of the hollandaise as they get steamed of the cardamom is so delicious and temptatious. Please try this recipe and enjoy with your family, and do like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies. So now I'm placing the second filling one, that is with the dry fruit filling. After 20 minutes, you see my second round of the hollandaise is also ready. Time to plate them. Here, presenting to you 2 ways delicious hollandaise. Friends, do try this recipe, and even if you have not been eating this, please try this recipe. And you see, they are so temptatious, hot. This is the one with the dry fruit, and the second one I'm showing is with the lentil filling. Both are very tasty and delicious. And friends, apart from soaking the rice overnight, the whole process has taken me about only 65 minutes from the start till the end. So please try this recipe. It is very easy, and let me know in the comments how you liked the recipe with the dry fruit filling. Thank you for watching till the end. Please watch my other interesting videos in Melita's Delicacies, and do subscribe to Melita's Delicacies.